Today we will learn expanded form of a decimals. We have studied the parts of decimal number. Decimal number has two parts, whole part and fractional part. These both are separated by the decimal point. In this given example, 243.756, before the point 243 is a whole part and after the point 756 is a fractional part. We can write decimal numbers in the place value chart. With the help of the place value chart, a decimal number can be written in the expanded form. Let us write 342.678 in the place value chart. Here 342 is a whole part and 678 is a decimal part or fractional part. So 2 is placed at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place. Next, after the point, 6 is at tens place, 7 is at hundreds place, 8 is at thousands place. Now we are going to write the place values. We know how to write a place values. Now start from 8. 8 is at thousands place. So the place value of 8 is 8 by 1000. Next 7 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 7 is 7 by 100. Next 6 is at tenths place. So the place value of 6 is 6 by 10. Next move to the decimal whole number part, that is 342. Here 2 is at ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2 only. And 4 is at tens place. The place value of 4 is a 40, which means 4 into 10 nothing but 40. Next 3 is at hundreds place. Now the place value is 300. Here also we will write 40 directly instead of 4 into 10. So place value of 4 is a 40 and place value of 3 is a 300 here. These are the place values. So with the help of the place value chart, a decimal number can be written in the expanded form. Now we are writing all these place values together by using plus sign. 300 plus 40 plus 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. This is nothing but expanded form of a given decimal number. So what is a decimal number given? 342.678. For this decimal number, this is a expanded form. So we are writing just like a place values. 8 is at thousands place, 7 is at hundreds place, 6 is at tenths place, 2 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place. So this is a expanded form for the given number. Write zeros in the vacant places between two digits. Here no need to write zeros because we have all the digits 3, 4, 2 and 6, 7, 8. The expanded form of a decimal number is the sum of the place values of the digits in the number. Sum means here addition. So just we are keeping addition symbol, plus symbol between the place values of the given number. So the expanded form means expanded form of a decimal number is the sum of place values of the digits in the number. We are going to write expanded form for this given number 1574.459. So we have to place this number in the place value chart according to their place values first. So 1574 is a whole number, means a whole part, and 459 is a fractional part. Here first you have to take first digit from the right side, 9. It is placed at thousands place, and then 5 hundreds place, and then 4 tenths place. Next 4 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, 5 is at hundreds place, and 1 is at thousands place. Now we are going to write place value of each digit in the given decimal number. Yes. Now we will start from right side to left side. Here the place value of 9 is 9 by 1000. Next, here the place value of 5 is 5 by 100 because it is at 100th place. Here the place value of 4 is 4 by 10. And here the place value of 4 is 4. Place value of 7 is 70 because 7 is at tens place. 4 is at ones place. 4 ones are 4. Next, place value of 5 is 5 into 100, 500. Now the last digit place value of 1 is 1000 because 1 is at thousands place. So 1 into 1000 is a 1000. These are the place values. Then how we will write expanded form? Expanded form of a decimal number is the sum of the place values of the digits. So I am going to write expanded form for the given decimal. Start from the whole part, that is 1000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4. Next, fractional part 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. By 1000. This is the expanded form. 1000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. This is a expanded form. For example, if expanded form is given like this, is it possible to write a decimal number? Yes, it is possible. See, for this expanded form, I am going to write a decimal number. How to write? First of all, you need to identify the place values and place value of the digits. Okay, now here we will observe the whole part. So, from 1000 to 4, this is a whole part and remaining is a fractional part. So, 1 is at thousands place, 5 is at hundreds place, 7 is at tens place, and 4 is at ones place. Then after point, fractional part 4 is at 10th place, 5 is at 100th place, 9 is at 1000th place. So 1574.459. For example, if here 500 is not there, then how can you write the decimal number from expanded form? Simply we will observe 1 is at thousands place, 7 is at tens place, 4 is at ones place. What digit is missing here? Hundreds place is missing. So simply we can write 0 here. Like this we will write expanded form. So when we should write zeros? Write zeros in the vacant places between two digits. If places are not there, then you have to write a zeros. For example, here 5 by 100 is also not there in the given expanded form. Simply we will write 409. So this is the way to write decimal number from the expanded form. Now we are going to write decimal number from expanded form for one more example. So the example is 7000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 2 plus 1 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Here also all the numbers are, all the digits are given. First of all, you have to identify the place values. 7 is at thousands place. Next 2 is at hundreds place. 50 is at tens place. 2 is at ones place. Now it is easy to write 7, 2, 5, 2. This is the whole part. Point. Now this is the fractional part. 1 is at tens place. 7 is at hundreds place. 6 is at thousands place. So the number is 7252.176. This is the way to convert usual decimal number to the expanded form and expanded form to the decimal number.